Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I'm Somnath. So in this session we are going to learn article. So articles, what is the important of article? I would like to tell you few seconds, then we will start the session. So article are very important, very essential in your examination. Means if you write any exam or whatever competitive fields, or else while speaking in English, or else while writing in letters or writing in sentence passages, whatever, it's very important. So article very essential for you how to learn. Many people are facing lot of problems in articles. So there are two types of article. Dear friends, again I'm repeating, there are two types of articles. The kind of article, what I'm saying, in article there are two kind of articles. So first is definite article, indefinite article. So we are telling here in articles there are, in articles we have two type of, one is definite and another one is what, indefinite. Indefinite articles, one is definite article, another one is indefinite articles. In definite article we are using what here, the. Indefinite here, a and an. Try to understand, this and this we are using here, a and the. So the, a, and. So the is definite article and indefinite article a, and we are using an. So these are the two types of articles. Definite mean you can easily identify, the meaning itself is there. Definite means sure. So for example, the definite article we are using the, it is called for particular person or thing. We are using in this, we are using this only is a singular as well as plural. Singular words and as well as plural. Plurals. So you can think singular or plural. Say for example, here a and we are using only singular, not in plural. Only in singular. Singular. So singular here are singular plural. Both we are using here the. Or else we can call it, or you can call the also. The both are the, no need to worry about the and the. How to use I am going to tell you. Here singular, only singular. For example, a boy, a girl, a dog, a pen, a bag, a cat. For example, we are using an. An. How to use an? An is a, for example, an Indian, an aeroplane, an elephant, an apple, an ink bottle, or you can call an Indian, an African, an Australian. So something you can say and how to use it. So I told you a and as well as an. Both I told you in singular. I could not see, for example, a boy, a girl, something you can write a. And also you can use an, for example, an apple, an elephant. Something you can use like this, but how to write? What is the sound? You need to understand. Here, for example, I'm using only not boys. I'm not using here boys. I'm not using here girls. I'm not using. So that, so simply you can understand only in singular we have to use it. So first thing you need to understand, a boy, a girl, a no, I'm not using here apples and apples. I'm not using. So I'm using here an apple. So simply you can understand. I will give hint. Then after I will how to learn. I am going to tell you. Then here singular as well as plural. As I told you, singular as well as plural. So I am going to write one example. You will understand. For example, yeah, you can use for example the sun. The sun. I told you the sound should be, no need to bother about this the and the. You can call the and the, both are sound is vowel as well as consonant sound. So first the, I am writing the sun, the earth, The earth, the sun, the earth, the moon, the Everest. You can use like that. Okay. So I'm using here only singular. Can I write plural? So now plural you can see the books. I'm using plural also. Which book I could not tell you, the books. I told you how to use it. Okay. So now I hope you this is for you. You can easily the identify, you can easily understand. But then, sir, what is the how to recognize, how to identify? You told me you wrote this all, but how to recognize? That is very important. So I'm going to write it clearly. You can understand. So listen carefully. Don't be skip the video. Then you if you skip, you can't understand. So now A to Z, you need to learn A to Z alphabet. The sound should be important. Now I am going to A to Z, I am going to write here, you will understand. So before writing this, I am going to write in sound here A, A, E, E, U, U, then Ru, Ru, A, A, I, then O, O, Ow, aha. So why I am writing this Telugu words? Because of this sounds also very important. So this is what vowel sound. This is actually we are calling in Telugu Achulu. Achulu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are the 16. So you can write A is a sound of A. A. E, I. E, double E. U, just U you can write. U, double O. Ru, R-U. Ru, R-O-O. A, you can write A. A-E. A, you can write sound. I, only I or else A-I. I, okay? Or else you can write Y also. So O, sound should be O. O, same. Ow. A-U, O-U. Ow. Ow, or else you can OW also. Ow. So here, AM, aha, AH. Guys, the sound should be very important. I wrote R2, amha. Then Ka2 here, simply you can easily identify Ka2. The sound should be Ka. There are the 36 and here there are the 16 digits. Okay, total 56 in Telugu. Total 52, right? Am I right or wrong? See, total 52. Total I am saying total, just you can understand. So total 56. So here I am going to write here what? English alphabet. So now sound alphabet is very important, right? Alphabet here. Now I am writing A. You will easily understand. Very simple thing. A. So first I am writing here, you can easily understand. In alphabet indefinite I am writing indefinite. Indefinite sounds. So indefinite we are having, in indefinite we are having what? One is A, and as well as an. So these sounds are very important. These sounds you need to identify sounds. These sounds we are going to write. Indefinite article. Indefinite article there are a and an. The sound we are recognize. Try to understand. So I am writing here what a, then what b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, here k, l, m. So I am writing this sound also. You can easily identify. So these sounds are very important. Then here I am writing n, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, and z. So sounds I am writing here. Clearly understand. Yes, guys, as I told you, sounds are very important. I wrote Telugu as well as English. So alphabet sound I wrote is this is what indefinite articles. Indefinite article we have a and. So sounds how to recognize. Very important. Try to listen. Very important this. So this is guys first the sound should be a, a to ha ha. A to aha. The sound should be in A. If you get A to aha, this sound you have to write it. This is in an. Ka to bandira. You have to write it. You have to write it what? A only. Indefinite article and A. You need to write it. So I am writing the sound. You can easily understand. What is it? A. See here A. A. Where is not ka to bandira? The sound is not there. So A. So you can simply identify or to bandira. A. The sound is A, not ya. A. Don't be called ya. A. So you can write as I told you what is an. So you must write it. Now you can write it. Yeah, you can write it an. So I would like to write this easy for an. Okay, the sound should be an. Here a. So now and I wrote a mean or to bandira. Sorry, or to amaha. A. So sound is an. You have to write an. B. Now B. Ka to bandira B. So now you can write B. So what is here? A. You can write is A. Now C. C. C mean ka to bandira. Sa. C. Sa C. So from come it will be from here to here. So you can write A here. Okay, no need to worry, just carefully listen. Next D. D also ka da da d da da d d. So comes so A. Next E. E you can write E. The sound is there. R2 this sound E. So you have to write an. Okay, an. Now and I wrote next somebody calls yaf. Yaf is always wrong. F, F, F. Try to understand F. So F is S. The sound we are not calling here. F sound is not there. So thus you can recognize F. F. F is sound F. The sound is there. So you can write again what an. Okay. Now G. G is not there. The sound is not there. So the sound is here. Katu Bandira. G. G. Ja. Ja. G. G. So sound is there. So you can simply write G is A. Okay, understood? Then H. Someone got H. Yach. Yach. That's wrong. H. H. The sound should be H. So you can write H, H, A, H. Sound is there. So you can write an. Okay. Then I. Sound is not there. So you can identify I. So you can write simply an. Okay. H, I, an. Simply you can write an. Then what? J. So J is Katu Bandira. Ja, Ja. So J is Ja Ketan say J. So you can write what? Ye. Simply you can write here Ye. Okay. Next K. K also same. You can write A. Yal. Yal is wrong. L. Call it L. Alright. So L you can recognize L. L. So that you can write is an. Okay. An. Then yam. Somebody call it yam. Yam. Wrong. M. Call it M. 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 Sound should be M. So that you can recognize M. M. How is the sound? M. So that you can identify M in sound again AN. M. Then what? N. Don't call yan. Yan is wrong. N. Call it N. N. So that N sound is again an. O, not O. O, just call it O. O. How is the sound? O. So that an. Then P. P is the sound from here to there. You can write simply A. Okay. So A. P. Then Q. Q also come from here to there. So simply A. R. Not yar. Don't say R. R. Sound should be R. So an. Right. Then S. Not yas. Don't call a yas. Yes, if you call yes, that's always wrong. So that you can call S. S. So S, the sound you can S. S. So that an. Okay. S. Then T come from here to there. So T. A. Then U. U also A sound. U from here to U. V also A sound. W also A sound. X. X. Not yaks. Don't be called yaks. X. 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 Sound should be X means AN. Then what? Y. Y is a sound different. Why? Y. I'm not calling Y is not there. So Y here to there. So you can simply write it A. Then Z, not Jad. Z. 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 So sir, sound should be A. Understood? So guys, so how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are the and sound means which are in vowel sound. Vowel sound what? A, E, I, O, U. Actually, this is the vowel sound. But vowel sound means if you know this, you can easily identify. So that I could not tell anything, just I explained all this, then I wrote this. So there are the 5 types, right? As I told you, there is a 5. So A, E, I, O, U sound I wrote. So it is in, we are using is vowel sound and only. There are the and alphabet, how many? There are the 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So remaining, so consonant sound. Remaining what? Consonant sound. consonant sound, the remaining what? 12 is gone. So remaining what? 12. So 14, right? So 14 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 consonant. So consonant is a consonant 14. So you can write A equal to 14. So what I'm saying, guys, this is only for alphabet recognize. I'm not telling all of this. There is actually, according to rules, there is a 21. As I agree with you, but what I'm saying, this only. This is a 14. This is 21. Okay. A E I O E, this 5, and consonant there is a, as I told you, as I wrote, 21 is there. So total 26 we have the alphabet. In alphabet we recognize this sound is A is 14 and is a 12. Okay, how to use indefinite article A and I told you. So this is, I hope you clear. This is, I hope this is you guys clear. So I give some example also now. You can easily identify. And this is introduction class so that you can easily identify. This is, if you learn, if you can't understand, you can watch twice or thrice, then you can easily understand. Then and there only you can't understand. I hope you guys again you have to watch twice or thrice, then you will understand. So this is a vowel sound and consonant sound. I told you this is a small method hint for you. So I will give some example of a and how to identify. So I'm going to write here a sound. For example, boy. For example, as I told you, boy. Before I told you, before I introduced this all, but now I am going to write this all. How to you can easily identify. Boy. The spelling here, boy. Boy mean katu bandira. So that why I wrote this all, because of who are following Telugu. I'm a Telugu medium background people also there. English, both are they are confusing. So that I wrote English as well as Telugu. So you have to, if you can't understand, you can watch this Telugu meaning also. You can easily enter. So boy, boy. So spelling is a boy. So boy is boy. The sound should be bo. So boy is there, boy. So you can use here simply a boy. A boy. Simply you can use a boy. For example, girl. So girl, simply you can use a boy, a girl, girl. G-I-R, a girl. Pen, a pen. See guys, I wrote from here to there. The sound should be here to here. So you can easily identify pen, pay, pen, a pen. Book, a book. Understood? I could not write any in plural. Singular word should be represent and it should be a. Okay, in singular. So I am going to write a book, a pen, a pencil, a dog, a cat, a mat. You can use whatever. Okay, a board you can use. Okay, so this is what a. Now I am going to write an. So how to use an? So as I told you, the sound should be, the A is completed. Now an is there. See, an apple. So what is the sound here? An apple. A-P-P-L-E. An apple. Apple. Okay. So this is what an apple. Apple. Okay. So now an apple. Apple. The sound apple. A. So the sound is there. So an apple I wrote. So one more thing you will understand. An apple I wrote, right. Then any more, ink, an ink, an ink in e sound is there. So that I wrote an ink. Okay, you can write simply an MLA, MLA, M sound is there, an MLA. So for I'm going to write one more, and you can write an Indian, an Indian, an American, Indian. The sound is an E, E, E. So sound R2, the sound is there, Indian, an Indian. Very simple guys. A and the sound should be very important. You can write multiple. This is a very important. This is a hint for you. Upcoming video I am going to tell you all part how to use. Okay. So now the sound how to use. I am going to tell you the. So I hope you this all. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to articles which are is very important for you. Fill in the blank with the suitable article A and the. So far we completed successfully how to learn articles A and the sound and where to use and how to use. I told you very simple manner. But now we are making the sentence. So here the one sentence is there means fill in the blank is given. So in the fill in the blank we have to write where is the, where is the, where is a, where is an, how to use article. This is finally this is very important. So everybody is facing this kind of problem in their examination. So I hope you guys how to write. Fill in the blank with suitable article a and the. So for example, as I told you, so first I told you this all. If I explain you again, you will understand. Thus I told you sound. R2 amha. So sound is this word and, but K2 here also. K2 bandira. The sound is ye. That is what's vowel sound. Sorry, consonant sound. Here is vowel sound. Vowel sound. This is vowel sound and this is what consonant sound. The sound is very important. So that I explained this all. So now by using this sound, I am going to tell you again. So now you can see earth. So earth is a R to amha, earth, a. So that you can use here what here, the earth. What is here? The earth. The earth revolves around the sun, not the sun. Don't we use the sun here? Sun is there. As I told you, earth, EARTH. This is what earth. A means what? R to aha. The sound is there. So that the, don't be use the. Both spelling is same but sound should be different. The earth. So that I am writing here the earth revolve around the sun, not the sun. The sun. This is the right answer. So next one. Their leaders, their leader is dash unique person. You, ya como say you, unique, unique. What is here? Unique. Unique mean what? You will easily understand. Unique, you. So that you is comes under what? A unique. How to use a unique person? A unique person. Now, his grandfather always carries umbrella. His grandfather always carries umbrella, not umbrella. Don't call umbrella. That's wrong. Okay. So umbrella and umbrella. If you call umbrella, that always be wrong. So umbrella, from A to amha. The sound should be umbrella. Umbrella. So that you have to use here an umbrella. Understood, guys? Very simple, guys. If you can't understand, comment me. So now, next, Gandhi considered himself as ordinary man. Gandhi considered himself what? Ordinary. Here what? Ordinary. Ordinary. Ordinary means the sound should be here ordinary. So that an ordinary. Guys, I hope you an ordinary man. An. So next one is he ate. He ate. We don't consider this all. Before the what is the this is a sentence, right? Before this we are using what this is ordinary, but I am using before ordinary here an. I am considering this sound only, not this sound. So ordinary and I am using this sound only, so that this unique. I am not considering this all here. Try to understand. He ate apple. So here apple, as I told you, apple, apple. He ate apple that was, see, that meant for the guest. So you need to understand here the sentence itself. He ate the apple. Why I am writing, sir? Apple means what? Apple is बोले तो an आता ना, बोला था ना तो. If you say like this, so yes, an apple you can write. But this is what action word. So that action word should be right in the manner the. Okay, this is a the. He ate the apple that was meant for the guest. Yes, that is the action word. Okay, next one. I can't remember. I can't remember story which he told. This is also action word. But actually here I can't remember the story. I can't remember. I can't remember. See, this is you have to understand. I can't remember the story. The action word. Okay. There is an African. What is here? There is there's African boy in our school. African. Ah, so that an African boy in our class school. Okay. Now he went to Egypt to see dash pyramid. So what is here? So you have to understand because of here also the he went to Egypt to see action word to pyramid the pyramid. Okay, the gold is dash. So now here you need to understand what is here. Now simply you can understand gold is dash precious metal. Gold is precious. Precious means costly. A precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. A you have to write it. Next one. Now you can see the children found dash egg in the nest. An egg. Egg is a spelling what? A. An egg. So that an you have to write an. Any doubt? So you have to identify. Then the earth. So don't we call the earth. The earth is dash planet. A planet, the planet which what is the answer? Earth is dash a planet. Okay, understood? I hope you guys everybody. Now next one is now you can see what uh, what is next one. Now you can see yeah, Mr. John is dash American. American, an American. Here you have to write an American. Ah, America. So that is sound is very important. The Ramayana is dash epic. The Ramayana dash what epic? An epic. An epic. Lucknow is one of the dash the biggest city in the. So as I forgot one thing. The second, the first. We are considering the first, the last, the second, the second, the first, the second. Like that, we are writing all the always. The biggest, the biggest, the biggest, the smallest, the biggest, the smallest, the largest, the shortest. You can write always the. Okay, so there is no doubt to. I hope you guys. The talent. No, don't talent. You can use the brilliant. The brilliant also you can use. The uh, the most talented person. The most talented person. You can use like this also. So guys here biggest. Where is that? Yes, this is what biggest city. Lucknow is one of the biggest. See here, when it is come est, then simply you can use the biggest city in the India. He is dash. He is dash Sachin of our cricket team. He is dash. He is dash what? He is dash Sachin, the Sachin of our cricket team. So here, what is the? This is the action word. So see, he is the Sachin. I'm using here the Sachin. Why you are using Sachin? Because you may ask. He is the Sachin of our cricket team because of there is two personages. One is one is Sachin, but as it is the same place in the Sachin. See here, he is the Sachin of our cricket team. So that this action word. That's why I'm writing the. Okay, guys. Next, the girl is dash orphan and an orphan. There is dash tremendous progress in the computer field. So you will easily understand a tremendous progress in the field. He reads Bible every day. He read the Bible. He read the Bible. As I told you, the Quran, the Bible, the Ramayana, the epics. So you can use like that. Okay, the Bible every day. Frank is dash an American, but Ramu is an India. So both are an. Okay, there is no confuse. I hope because an American and Indian. Ganga is a holy river. The Ganga. Okay, guys, could you understand the Ganga? Next, Ravi ate apple only yesterday night. Ravi ate here, not two action. There is no action. That's why I'm writing here what Ravi ate an apple. So that you can use an apple. He has he has foreign car. He has dash a foreign car. A foreign car. Foreign. Okay. Not foreign. 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 Okay. So that I'm using for. The Pacific is dash ocean. Pacific is dash ocean. An ocean. Okay. There is dash there is dash ox under the tree. An ox. Don't confuse my dear friends. Next, I saw dash one one-eyed beggar. I saw one-eyed beggar. I saw a one-eyed beggar. Okay. Next, he would help the poor. He would help the poor. This is the action word. He would help the poor. This is university. This is a university. A. Okay, guys. Next, Himalaya lies to the north of India. The Himalaya. You have to use what here? The Himalaya. So one thing you need to understand which are the special thing we have to. The moon is only one. We can't say that there are lakhs of moon. So that we are using that kind of scenario. The also. Okay, based on that scenario. So next, iron is dash useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. A useful you. So that you can use a useful metal. Next one is dash Nile is a long river. The Nile River. You can use the Nile River. Okay. It is dash historical place. It is dash it is dash a historical place. A historical place. This next dash darkest. When see darkest is there, the darkest you simply you no need to worry about this. The darkest. Okay, guys, this is what the darkest. Cloud has a silver lining. Darkest and a silver lining. So next, the Mahabharata is a epic. What is the? Here you can use the Mahabharata. Next, moon gives the moon. That is a special thing. As I told you, the moon gives us light but not heat. Okay, is it right or not? Yes, exactly. It is true. Now, next, I am thirsty. I would you please give me a glass of water? A glass of water. Glass. So you have to understand the spelling. He married as an Australian lady. The not a Australian, an Australian lady. You need to understand. Next, Bill Gates is dash Kubera of modern time. Bill Gates is the Kubera. Kubera means rich person. I saw dash snake in the garden. I saw a snake. A snake. Which snake we don't know. This is indicate. A snake. Brutus was not dash honorable man. Brutus honorable, not honorable man, an honorable man. Ravindra Bharati. So try to understand, dear friends. Ravindra Bharati is dash an auditorium, an auditorium. So next one is what? Mount Everest is highest, so that you simply can use the highest peak in the, again here also the world. This is a action as well as see the Mount Everest is the biggest or highest peak in the world both are the there is fly on his face. There is fly, a fly, there is a fly. Next one is Duke Senior takes Duke Senior takes the shelter in dash forest of the Ardennes. So that here you can see simply what is the forest. It is historic temple. It is it is a historic temple. Could you understand or not? It is a historical temple. Historical temple. Gopi is dash lost boy. What is, as I told you, the first, as I told you, the lost boy. To leave the school. Here also the. Okay, guys. Next, dash reindeer dash reindeer. The reindeer is dash negative of Norway. Native of Norway. The native of Norway. Reindeer is the native of Norway. This is useful metal. This is a useful metal. So this is what a useful. We read the, what is here? We read the Mahabharata. The you can use. Earth is rotate itself. The or the. Here sound. What is sound? The. We have to sound it. The. London. London is on Thames. What is the Thames? So guys, so far 50 I covered here successfully. Now I would like to tell at a glance once we will understand. So first you can see, my dear friends, now I am explaining here. So fill in the blank 1 to 50 we so far we completed. Fill in the blank. So fill in the blank suitable articles for what are these? The earth is revolve around the, not the earth is revolves the around the sun. So the you have to use it. Okay. Now their leader is a unique person. A unique. His grandfather. So here I am using his grandfather always carries on an umbrella. Gandhi considered himself an ordinary man. He ate he ate he ate the apple because of, here what is guest. So the action word is there. So that he ate the apple that was meant for the guest. So that I am using the here. Okay, don't confuse. I can't remember the story which he told. This is also. So there is an African boy in our school. African, so I'm using the sound. He went to Egypt to see the pyramid. So the using. The gold is a precious metal. A. The children found an eggs in the nest. The earth is an, sorry, the earth is dash a planet. Mr. John is an American. The Ramayana is an epic. Lucknow is one of the biggest city in the India. He is dash the Sachin of our cricket team. The girl is dash an orphan. An orphan. Sound is there. That's why I'm writing an. There is dash a tremendous progress in computer field. He read the Bible every day. Frank is an American, but Ramu is an Indian. Okay, guys. Next, uh, dash Ganga. The Ganga is a holy river. Ravi ate an apple because I'm writing here first. You may confused where here because he ate an apple. I could not write, but I wrote here at the. Don't confuse. That is action word. Here also I'm writing an because of this is not a action word. He has a foreign car. He has a foreign car. The Pacific is an ocean. There is an ox under the tree. I saw a snake. I saw a one-eyed beggar. We should help the poor. This is a university. The dash Himalaya lie to the north of India. Iron is a useful metal. Okay, iron is a useful metal, and the Nile river along the Nile is a longer river. It is a historical place. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. The Mahabharat is an epic. The moon gives us light but not heat. I am thirsty. Would you please give me a glass of water? Okay. He married an American Australian lady. Bill Gates is the Kubera of modern time. I saw I saw a snake in the garden. Brutus was not Brutus was not Brutus was not an honorable man. Okay, Ravindra Bharati is an auditorium. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. There is a fly on his face. A. So Duck Senior takes shelter in Dash Forest in the Ardennes. The. It is a historic. A. Gopi is the lost boy to leave the class. The reminder the reminder is the sorry the the rinder is the native of Norway. This is a useful matter. We read the Mahabharata. Thus, the earth rotates itself. London is on there's the Thames. So far we learned, guys, very simple for you. It is how to check it once. Very simple, very simple. You can easily understand. You can easily write the exam. I hope this all. Okay. So I will cover in next video 50 to 100. So friends, now 51 to 100 we are going to cover. So see guys here, what is the question are given? Uh, he is dash MA, but his brother is dash BA. So you can write here, he is MMM. So sound is R to Amaha. So an MA, but his brother is BA. So ABA. You can use ABA. So next question. That old man is orphan, an orphan. Okay, I hope you it is clear. Next, dash bigger you job. Dash bigger you job. What is dash bigger you job? The bigger, as I told you, bigger, biggest also. The bigger you job, dash greater. The greater you, your responsibility. The also here also the. Okay, there is no confused here. Bigger, biggest, both are you have to use the only. No confused. The first, the second, the last, the boy, the greatest, the smallest, the bigger, you can use the. Okay. 54. The soldier is a jealous in honor. So you have to use a soldier, not the soldier. Okay. Soldier is a jealous in honor. So you have to use here simply a soldier, not the soldier. Because of this is not a action word. We can't use the soldier, because of a soldier is a jealous in honor. Okay, now there is dash orange in the basket. Sorry, there is an orange or in the you can simply use the, no doubt at all. Okay, so next 56, honest, not honest, honest man, an honest man is, so this is what honest man is dash asset to the society. So we can't use here what an, because of this is action word, so that you can use the. I'm sorry for that, this is the honest man. The honest man is the honest man assert. See guys, this is action word, because of the honest man is an assert to the society, because of this is a continuing action, so that I'm using here the. You may be confused, even me also confused. Okay, the the honest man, so you have to know, don't be use honest, so that the honest man is an asset to society, that is the right pronunciation. I waited for him for dash hour, an hour you have to use an. Okay, so there is no doubt, I hope you. Next one is here 58. Now what is 58? 57 completed. Fire broke out in the fire. The fire, we have to use what? The fire broke out in the next street. This is also action. The fire broke out in the next street. Okay, next one. There is dash a school. There is dash a school for dash the deaf. The deaf. Okay, he inspected, he inspected, he is he inspected, or this is past, right? So that he inspected the school on a hot day, a hot day. Next to 61, she wears a uniform, yeah. Next to eat an op, what is this? Eat an apple in the morning. The morning, this is an unfortunate accident, incident, an unfortunate, not a uniform, that's unfortunate, not a unfortunate, don't be called like that. I saw dash elephant in the zoo. I saw an elephant, I saw an elephant in the zoo. This is the action word, so that okay, I hope you there is no doubt. So next one is here what. See guys, what is here? 25th, rich. Sorry, 65, 65 rich out to help the rich here. This is action word. The rich ought to help the poor. Here also the both are the. The rich ought to help the poor. Asia is dash a continent. A continent. Okay. In dash few year. In dash few year. A few year. A few year he became the richest, because of the richest person or richest merchant, whatever. So, okay, next one is 68th, umbrella, not umbrella. An umbrella is of no use in dash thunderstorms. Here an umbrella here dash the thunderstorms, the thunderstorms. So here next 969, Charminar is Hyderabad. What is here? The Charminar. The Charminar. You have to use the Charminar. Next, the Charminar in the Hyderabad. Okay. She went to nearest. The nearest. She went to. She went. Now seventh. She went to the nearest. The nearest. What is here? The nearest. The nearest hotel. The nearest hotel by a car. Here A. He is as a university teacher. So not we don't we use the university. His father is as an MP, MP, and his mother is as an MLA, MLA, and both are the an. Okay. I bought I bought HMT and HMT, not Yach. HMT TV. He is dash an Indian and his wife is dash a European. He is dash an Indian. His wife is dash a European, not European. European. Okay. Try to remember this. Next, he is. She is going for. She is going for a walk. What is this? A walk. Next one. What is Radha won a gold? Radha won a gold, not the gold. Don't be used in her MA. Okay. It is dash on month course. Did it dash a month? It is a on month course. He died without he died without an heir. Heir mean what? Varasudu. Varasuralu. Complete. Heirs. Okay. Here he is dash useless fellow. A useless fellow. Okay. You are dash unimportant for them. And unimportant. Your dash your dash you are an unimportant for them. She is leading a simple life now. A simple. We paid him a lot of money. We paid him a lot of money. Next one. They a lot of because you know well they presented me a bike. They presented me a bike. I hope you guys. Next, it is dash historical place. It is dash a historical place. A historical place. Laksh, Lakshmi is dash an honest girl. He is he is dash LIC agent. He is dash an LIC. So next one, my father is dash NGO. My father is dash an NGO. N. They. So now you can see here. What next one is they burnt. They burnt RTC bus yesterday. Means బూడిద చేయడం. They burnt an RTC. Shekhar is dash an SI. An SI. So next one is 90th question. He has dash a cell phone. The cell phone, which is right. He is dash the cell phone. So that is also action. The the cell phone. Cell phone. Okay. They are they are building. They are building a house in the Bangalore. A house. Prasad is dash an artist. I have dash laptop at home. A laptop. Okay, friends. This is you can easily understand So next one is dash a Chinese. Raju is Raju is dash outstation student. Raju is an out mean an, can use an out out outstation student, you can use like that. He is dash humble student. He is dash humble, not humble, and humble student. He is an humble student. I wrote dash a book on poverty. Actually, yeah, I wrote a book. Yes, I wrote a book on poverty. So that's exactly right. Ramo, uh, Rajamouli is the best director in the Tollywood. Both are the okay. Rajamouli is the best director in the Tollywood. So next, guys, now 99. Ramesh is there as a common person. A common person. He had gone. Sorry, he had gone a nice job. Wow. So far we completed, dear friends. So I hope you, this is again I'm going to read this 51 to 100. So far we completed. So 51 to 100, which are very important for your exam. So no need to by head all those things. Very simple things. You have to be what is the sound is going on. You have to identify. That is main thing you have to maintain. So see here, he is he is an MA. See, for example, I'm reading again. He is an MA, but his brother is dash a BA. That old man is dash an orphan. And here an. The biggest. So here, the bigger your job, the greater your responsibility. Actually, here bigger. You are actually, but spelling mistake. Okay.